Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here, and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be testing out the July Boxycharm, which I have right here. I'm very excited to try this box out. There is a lot of goodies in here. I did take a peek, so I do have an idea of what is in here. So I do have no makeup on my face right now because we're going to be starting off with a mask that is included in the box. So that's why I'm fresh faced. So if you're interested in seeing me try out this July 2019 Boxycharm, show you everything that's in it, and test it out on my face, you know what to do. Just please stay tuned. So this month's box is the Boxycharm All Natural. It does include 5 full-size products, and the products are listed right here on the back along with the prices. I do have nothing on my face right now, just a fresh face, because in the box there is a mask. So that's why I have no makeup on, because I do want to demo the mask in this video today. So this is the mask right here. It is called the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It says get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. It does retail for $35. For the directions, it just says apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. My face is clean. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. May stain fabrics. So to apply this mask, I am going to use something else that comes in the box, and that is the Luxie, I think it's Jaya. The Luxie Jaya brushes. I love the way that these brushes look. It includes a large eye blending brush, a precision crease brush, and a foundation brush. I do like using foundation brushes a lot of times to apply my facial mask. So since I have it right here, I'm going to go ahead and use it to apply the mask. So this is what the brushes look like. They're really pretty. They're a wooden handle. So I guess the Jaya type of theme is something like real natural, which goes along with this box. So they have like natural handles. Luxie handles on all their brushes are always usually pink, but they're not like this wooden type of texture. This reminds me of like EcoTool brushes. Something very like environment friendly. I'm just gonna apply some on the brush. It smells really good and like pretty minty, which I love minty smells. I'm just gonna apply this all over my skin, avoiding my eye area, of course, and my brows. So 10 minutes is up, and this is what it looks like right here. As you can see, it just dries down a little bit. My face does feel a little tense. I'm a little tight. A lot of times that's what masks do, but it doesn't feel too tight and hard like other masks that I've tried, so I can still move my face and everything. It's a comfortable mask, and it did tingle a little bit because I do smell some type of mintiness, and it smells really refreshing also. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this off. That is the mask. I really do like it. I love the smell of it. I love how refreshing it feels and smells. I love how it was easy to apply and easy to take off. Some of those masks, sometimes when they dry real hard down, they're really like difficult to remove. That one wiped away easily, and I didn't have to like scrub my face or anything like that. So I really feel like this would be a good mask if you have sensitive skin, because there is a bit of tingling sensation, but nothing too serious. I've tried masks where I've had to remove them because my face was burning so bad. I would not even say that I have sensitive skin, so somebody that did have sensitive skin would literally probably be in pain. Of course, I would have to keep using it, but so far I really do like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the base of my makeup. There are none of those type of products in the box. I'm gonna go ahead and do my entire base, and then I'll be back so we can do some eyeshadow. So I have my base completely done now. We're ready to go into the next thing that comes in this box, which is actually an eyeshadow palette. This is the eyeshadow palette right here. It's by the brand Butter London. Spring reminds me of flowers. It's really pretty, a really all natural type of colors with a pop of blue, but all of the other colors are really, you know, neutral, bronzy. I like it. And we do have a pop of green right here, but still very earthy type of toned colors, except for this pop of blue. So it's a really cute palette. So this is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It does retail for $32. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into this palette. I do have a little bit of bronzer in my crease. These are the only two matte shades in the palette, the pop of blue and also this brown shade right here, which is also very, very deep. It is called Temptress. So I just went ahead and ran some of the bronzer that I used on my face in my crease. So I'm going to go in with one of the brushes from the Luxie Jaya brush set that we got. This is the 520 large eye blending brush. I'm just going to dip into Temptress, which is the deep chocolate shade, and really tap off the excess because I don't want it to get too dark. And I'm just going to run that in my crease, directly in my crease. And also on the outer V. So I'm really just tapping it on my outer V to really get most of the color payoff right there. And then I'm just going to run the excess into my crease. Do it one more time. Get it nice and smoky. Framing my eye shape, so I'm dragging it out a little bit right here. So we can get that nice cat eye look. And then I'm going to take the original brush that I was using with my bronzer. I'm running this brush above the area that I did the dark brown. And I'm just gonna blend this all out. All right, so as you can see, I have that dark brown shade all in my crease. And so it's getting like nice and smoky, and it like lifted our eyes up because I winged it out on the sides. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here, the third brush that comes in the Jaya little brush set from Luxie. This is the Luxie 246 Precision Crease. It's really, really small. It would be good for, you know, really getting in your crease right here, or for the lower lash line. I'm going to use it for the lower lash line. I'm not sure if this blue shade is a matte. It is. At first it was kind of looking like a little shimmery because the sun is like right here behind me. I'm going to take Femme Fatale, that's what it's called, the blue shade right here. And I'm taking it on the little brush, and I'm going to pack that on my lower lash line for a little pop of blue down here. Pretty. For the lid, I'm actually going to take the green shimmery color called Star. Dip into the shade, and then I'm going to spray the shade to really get that shimmer to pop. I just feel like it's a must with any shimmer that you use, because even if it is a really good shimmer, doing this will just make it even better. Alright guys, so the sun's getting at a weird angle, so I'm trying to figure out where I can put the camera so it's not like too annoying, and this is the best spot. So if I'm a little far back, I'm sorry, but the eyes are finished. As you can see, the only thing we have left to do is to put one of the products that is included in the box, which is a gel eyeliner. We're going to put it inside of our waterline and see if it works good, and we're going to go back into the palette right here. Enchantress is better because it's brighter, it's lighter. So I'm taking that to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner. We are done with this eyeshadow palette. I am really liking this eyeshadow palette. I think it's so pretty. It's simple, but I enjoyed using it All the colors performed really well, all the shades. And yeah, I love this eye look. I love it. I think it's really pretty. It's a really cute little simple palette. The last thing that we have to do for the eyes is take this gel eyeliner. This is the Appeal gel eyeliner, and this is in the shade Forest Green, and it retails for $21. A lot of times the gel eyeliners that come in these boxes suck. Like, they do not work well at all. So I'm really hoping that this one will be different. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm really hoping that this one will be way better. I've been really disappointed with a lot of the eyeliners that come in this box because they're sharp, really rough on your waterline, but this one seems to be a lot better. The gel liner, and it's not one of those wooden pencils. Yes, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. You can just see the difference between my two eyes right here. This one is extremely creamy. I really feel like that just took the eye look to a whole nother level. Like, that's so pretty. Compared with that blue shade that we used in this palette, the Femme Fatale shade, like, that's just really pretty. It really complements each other well. So I really feel like that was a good idea to put these two in the box together. Okay, Boxycharm, I'm really feeling your little aesthetic. It's really, really cute. So I do have my lips lined. I used this Milani pencil right here. This is the color Statement lip liner, and it's in the shade Spice. I really like this one. So we're going to go ahead and go in with the last thing that's in the box, which is a lip product. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. Alamar Cosmetics has been featured in Boxycharm several times. I have absolutely loved their products. I've gotten a brush set in Boxycharm, loved it. Eyeshadow palette, loved it. Blush palette, freaking loved it. I use the products that I've gotten from Alamar Cosmetics all the time, so I'm really, really excited. This is the Desnudas lip. Desnudas, okay, because desnudas in Espanol, in Spanish, means naked, so desnudas, I like it. They're doing a little play on words with the word nude, and that's actually what desnudas means in Spanish. So this retails for $15. It's a really bad habit that I have, which is always using my teeth. It doesn't really have a smell, but I love this. Oh my God. It's very, very thick, very thick. I love how thick it is. What is this shade? This shade is Dulce, which means sweet. It's very, very pretty. As you can see, perfect nude lip. Perfect lip combo. I love this look, guys. Like, I am in love. I'm sorry about the lighting, but let me know what you guys think of this look down in the comments below. I absolutely freaking love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I love this box. This box is probably one of my favorites because I feel like I like every single product that I got, and I can use every single product in the box. So I'm very, 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 very pleased. A great eyeshadow palette that I think basically probably everyone could use, which is also a good thing. The shades aren't so light where only, you know, a fraction of amount of people will be able to use them, so that's a good thing. The brush set, everybody can use that, and it's amazing. Luxie brushes are so good, so I'm so happy to have 3 more. So this was a very universal type box. I really, really appreciate that. If you watch my Boxycharm unboxings, that's not always the case. So yeah, guys, we've reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did. I'm so happy with this July 2019 Boxycharm, and I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what you think once again in the comments below, and I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.